In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom terms and conditions on Circle.so. Understanding how to customize the terms and conditions of your online community is crucial for both your members and your business. This process will ensure that everyone interacting with your platform is informed and agrees to your specific requirements. So, let's get started. First, you need to log into your Circle.so admin account. Simply head to the Circle.so website and use your admin credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you're in the driver's seat, ready to make any necessary modifications to enhance your community experience. Next, navigate to the Settings page. This can be found in the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Legal. This is where all of your important legal agreements reside, and it's where we'll be making the changes today. Now, once you're in the legal section, you'll see an option to add terms and conditions. Click on this button. This is the gateway to entering your specific terms and ensures that all current and future users will understand and agree to your policies. The next step is pivotal. Here, you'll either paste or type your custom terms, text, or link. This section is where you articulate your rules and expectations, making sure they are clear, concise, and aligned with your community's ethos and legal requirements. If you've already drafted your terms in a document, simply copy and paste them here. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can directly type in your terms. If you have your terms hosted on an external web page, you can also provide the URL link here. Make sure everything is accurate and thoroughly reviewed, as this document is legally binding for your members. Finally, after double checking to ensure everything is just right, click on Save Changes. This action will update your Circle.so platform with the specified terms and conditions, effectively requiring new members to agree to these terms before joining and reminding current members of your policies. Saving your changes ensures that your hard work is preserved and that your community is legally covered. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully updated your platform with custom terms and conditions, creating a safer and more professional environment for your members. Having well-defined terms not only protects you and your community legally, but also fosters a transparent and respectful atmosphere. Thank you